How to set strong passwords and secure your accounts. Hey guys, if you're serious about protecting your online identity, stick with me till the end of this video because I'm going to show you how to set strong passwords and secure your accounts the right way. Let's start with what makes a strong password. It should be at least 12 characters long and include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. So instead of something weak like John1234, go for something like J0HN eats P1ZZA at night. Something random but memorable. Let's take your Apple ID and iCloud account as an example. If you haven't changed that password in a while, it's a good idea to update it. Just open Settings on your iPhone, tap your name at the top, then go to SGNN and Security, and choose Change Password. Apple will guide you through the rest. And while you're in there, make sure two-factor authentication is turned on. It's one of the best ways to keep your account locked down, even if someone guesses your password. You should also regularly check the security settings of your email, banking apps, and social media. Many of these platforms offer login alerts, activity logs, and recovery options. Use them to your advantage. And if you ever get a notification that one of your saved passwords has been compromised, don't ignore it. Change it immediately before anyone else does. So, that's how you can set a strong passwords and secure your account. I hope this helps you take control of your digital security. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to follow for more privacy and security tips. Thanks for watching.